Hello everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the Uniform Civil Code. Now recently, a parliamentary panel has reviewed Goa's Uniform Civil Code and highlighted some of the outdated provisions of the Goa Uniform Civil Code. So let us discuss a bit further about the issue. Now the Goa Civil Code is a set of civil laws that governs all residents of Goa irrespective of their religion and ethnicity, and it has come under the focus amidst a call for the implementation of uniform civil code across the country. Now, it is to consider that Goa is the only state in India that has a uniform civil code regardless of religion, gender, and caste. Goa, which was a former Portuguese colony, inherited the Portuguese Civil Code 1867 that is still applicable in states even after it joined the Indian Union in the year 1961 and it got statehood in the year 1987. Now recently, the Delhi High Court asked the Union government to take steps for implementing the Uniform Civil Code. If we talk about some of the previous judgments relating to this, we have the Shah Bano case and the Sarla Mudgal case of 1995. Now let us talk about the Uniform Civil Code. Under the Article 44 of the Directive Principles of State shall endeavour to secure for citizens a uniform civil code throughout its territory. Now, if we talk about the origin of Uniform Civil Code, in the year 1835, colonial British government stressed the need for uniformity in the codification of laws relating to crimes, evidence, and contracts. And they specifically recommended keeping Hindu and Muslim personal laws out of it. Now, if we talk about the significance of Uniform Civil Code, it provides uniform principles for marriage, divorce, etc. without conflicts and contradictions. It is also useful in promotion of secularism and ending discrimination on religious grounds. It is also helpful in protection of vulnerable and women's rights. Further on, it is important for a reduced discord and therefore religious harmony. It may also be significant in ending evil, unjust, and irrational customs and traditions. And lastly, it can be helpful in easing out the administration. Now, if we talk about some of the challenges associated with the Uniform Civil Code, firstly, it can lead to interference into religious affairs and therefore violating the fundamental rights, Article 25 and 26 of the Constitution. It can also lead to the loss of unique tribal customs and traditions and therefore communal politics and tyranny to the minorities. Further on, it is also seen as threat to multiculturalism and nation's diversity and may be counterproductive to the national unity and integrity. Lastly, there is a lack of political will in the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code. Now, for a positive way forward, firstly, codification of all the personal laws is needed through which universal laws can be taken. Secondly, there should be addition of only the elements of customs and traditions to the UCC, which would lead to protection of customs and traditions. And further on, the Law Commission has also concluded that the Uniform Civil Code is neither feasible nor desirable. Now let us take up one practice question from this topic. With reference to the Uniform Civil Code, consider the following statements. First, it is defined in Article 44 of the Indian Constitution. Second, Goa and Arunachal Pradesh are the only states to have it. Third, the Law Commission favoured its adoption throughout India. Now, which of these statements given above are correct? So, the correct answer is option B. That is, only the first statement is correct. It is defined in Article 44 of the Indian Constitution. The second statement is wrong, as Goa is the only state to have it. And third, the Law Commission concluded that Uniform Civil Code is neither feasible nor desirable. Therefore, the third statement is also wrong. Therefore, the correct answer is option B only. And with this, we call it a wrap of today's edition of Topic of the Day. I hope you liked the video. I will see you with some other topic tomorrow. Till then, take care and do stay tuned.